you see now, now when the system is in this way, it means somebody with admin rights is the one who's logged in, because now you can see everything here. But now let's think of the point where somebody else, let's say a waiter or somebody else who doesn't have admin rights, logs in the system. The way that works, you'll have to use a different access key, an access key for the normal accounts to make the system secure. So let's log out. Then we log out. In this demo, we click here, and here there is an access key for normal accounts. So let's take it for this business, our test account. So let's take it. Now let's try to access the system and put it there and verify. So now, once he enters the access key, he'll come here and check his account. Now let's say, for example, okay, the example here is from the base of a restaurant where there's a cashier, where there's a waiter, but any other accounts will always be there. Here, for example, apart from managerial accounts, accounts which have admin rights won't show here. So let's say, for example, what account are we gonna use? Let's say this one of Judy. He clicks it. He's supposed to put his password. Let's say this is the password. Fine. So you see now, because the account logged in is not an admin account, they can only see the sales they made here. Settings for them to set their account, maybe change password, upload an image, and see their details here. POS will allow them to sell. Let's say, for example, sell something. Sell some RAM. We don't have stock there. Some ugali, something. Yeah, let's sell and place an order. You see now, Judy she will only be able to see the sales which she made and be able to follow up when she pay anything. When she views the details, because this is a waiter account, can only print a receipt for this order to give to the customer, or update, add other items. If this account maybe made a mistake in this order and something has to be taken out of this order, the owner of this counter has to contact management for them to do that, because editing a sale is a very sensitive thing. It cannot be given just to anyone. So if let's say the customer needs something else, let's say he needs some smoky or something else. Say he needs, what are we gonna, okay, some chicken. So let's sell him some, we got some choma here. Okay, some quarter choma, he needs around 4. So let's say VNC. You see the amount has changed, so let's view and see. Yeah, so that is only the thing they can do. Once they finish with the system, they can log out. Now let's say a cashier logs in. This is cashier, Masti is a cashier. Let's try here and log in. What is the password? Forgot this one. Okay, correct. That is the password. Fine. So now you see it's the same process, but because this is a cashier, when it comes to sales, you can see the sales of everybody, because the cashier will be the person will be the person approving the orders, checking the payment status, because he's the one receiving the money. So we can view this and say, okay, I approve this order to be given, save changes. Okay, after some times, this order is paid, so it comes and views and says this was paid, received. How did I pay? I got paid through credit, or maybe through cash, or bank, or M-Pesa code. This was the M-Pesa code. Save changes. That's all. A cashier will be able to see the analysis of when giving out the report, so you can check the sales here. we'll be able to come and run a report and see for our sale, the sales which happen in a specified time. So let's say around 11:05 or 10 at the start time, and try to see what happens. So you'll be able to see for our service, she compiles a report or he compiles a report. That's all about the normal accounts. In case of anything which is not understandable, feel free to reach us through our contact information. Once everything is done, you can close now the system.